Hello friends and welcome to a new video. My name is Nikon and every week on this channel I post cool stuff about video production, DaVinci Resolve, filmmaking and how to be more productive, more consistent and more efficient making videos for YouTube, but not only. Today I'm going to talk about an error that my smallrig battery has. This is a $250 smallrig V-mount battery. It's absolutely amazing, but recently it had an error and it shows me some weird stuff I do not understand. So you see, this thing shows up on my V-mount battery and like it doesn't show you the percentage, it doesn't show you how much you have left, it doesn't show you what's going in, what's going out. But there are good news actually. There are good news because I have no idea how, but I found a way of getting rid of this screen. And it's absolutely phenomenal. It's so easy, it's incredible. But I didn't see, I was looking around on YouTube, I was looking on forums, I tried to look in the booklet to see what's going on, was the error, and I couldn't find anything. And accidentally, I don't know, I came up with the idea, what if I just keep pressing? And you know what? If you keep pressing this button for 9 times, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look what's happening. Isn't that cool? Isn't that amazing? I was shocked. I was like, wow, what? Is it working? So yeah, smallrig V-mount battery error fixed by Nikon Carman. First time here on YouTube. I'm not even joking, I couldn't find any videos around. So you know, I mean, before, if you would plug anything or you charge it or you want to charge other things, nothing was showing. But now I'm so happy it's fixed, guys. And you see, 9 times you press the power button here and it's done, it's fixed. I thought it's something wrong with the battery. I thought the battery is ruined or something. I have no idea what happened. But then I tried to do this many times, and you know, 9 times in, it shows you the firmware and that code there, and 9 times out, and it shows you, goes back to the battery. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. Goes to the serial number and all that code of the battery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Goes back to the percentage, goes back to where it should be. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found some value out of this video, and I hope you solved the issue with the V-mount smallrig battery. And you know, if you appreciate what I do on this channel, if you like what I did, if you found some value, please give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. And leave a comment below and say thank you if I really did help you with that. Whew. Took me a long time to figure this out, but it turned out to be so easy. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Happy creation. Bye-bye.